Okay, David, so we're showing a bunch of good news, and so it's time to balance it out a little bit for you. We're going to have to make, I think we need to make some of the planks new. These planks over here on the edge, the sides, they look to be in really good condition. But when you get to the very front planks, and of course remember there's a bunch of rot under here, you get to the very front planks, they're not in as good a condition. We have that's rotted, and then of course this is just busted out. So our intention is that we would make a new plank here. So this is actually one plank. That's not four separate planks. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 strips in a plank. These are what we call live seams, which move back and forth, unfortunately. And these are all fake seams. Let's pretend seams. They're just table saw strips. So and this one's broke. These two, this seam is not supposed to be a live seam, but it's broken, so it's going to move back and forth too. We have an area here that's broken out. We have this plank has got a big split in it here, and it's got a big split down the center. That's supposed to be one plank, and right now it's two. So we're going to replace that one, and then this seems to be the last one that we have those kinds of problems with as far as the front planks go. Again, they start to get in good condition over here. So we're looking at building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planks for your bow, and that's going to give you the highest quality and probably the least cost compared to trying to save these guys. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that's our plan on your decks.